I married you? Incorrect. Why? Because you didn't use a time indication or a helping verb. 1. Time indication. If you use the simple past tense, you need a time indication. I married a rich man in 1997. Correct. Well, not correct for me, but who knows. 2. When talking about a state of being, use the verb to be for showing the state of being married. Are you married? Yes, I am married. I am in the state of being married. Is she married? Yes, she is married. She's married. However, use she was married if she is currently divorced or dead, or if her husband is dead or they're both dead. Now that we are talking about dead, don't say he dead. Dead is an adjective. Use the verb to be before dead. It's a state of being. Say, he is dead. The batteries are dead. The battery of my phone is dead. My phone is dead. Or use it as a verb. My phone died on me. He died later on that night. Sad. We are mortal. We all have to go one day. See you when I see you.